What is up, YouTube? Viper Wolf 24 here with a video for reals. And I'd like to apologize to you guys for not posting on YouTube lately, you know, because I've been so busy with my TikTok stuff, you know? Don't you ever hate those kind of things where people post hate comments? Yeah, I hate that BS. Anyway, video is gonna be a little bit short because I'm gonna be making me something to eat. You know what that is? Cup noodle chicken flavor. And I'm gonna make it in the microwave. So, let's make it. My gosh, my trash is kind of full. Just 1 second, guys. Alright, there we go. That problem solved. Let's get making the chicken noodle, dude. Here's my way of how I eat my chicken noodle. You know what I'm saying? You know? I make so much chicken noodles that makes me want to eat them. Let's get the water. And now we wait. Alright guys, so I just finished making my noodles and it smells pretty good. Alright, end of the video. Bye-bye.